Sean had caught the biggest fish of the season. Just by looking at the fishing rod, it was clear that a massive bluefin tuna was hooked on the other end. The three of them instantly went on high alert. To prevent the fish from going under the boat and snapping the line, the captain quickly maneuvered the boat so that the fish always remained behind it. However, the fish was so powerful that it began dragging the small boat out into the ocean. The captain couldn't start the engine because doing so could break the line, so the three could only try their best to keep it under control. Strong waves kept crashing over the boat, leaving them completely drenched. After nearly 5 hours, the fish finally began to tire, and they slowly started reeling the line back in. The moment its shadow appeared in the water, a crewmate quickly threw the harpoon, bringing the battle to an end. It was only after securing the fish's tail that the three finally breathed a sigh of relief. Because of the prolonged struggle, the fish's body temperature had risen significantly, so they didn't pull it onto the boat immediately. They let it cool down in the water for about 2 hours before bringing it aboard. This tuna was massive and thick, measuring 113 inches in length. Now they needed to rush back to the harbor to sell it. After cutting off the head and tail, the fish weighed in at 592 pounds. Initially, they expected it to fetch a very high price because the color of the meat looked good. However, white marks appeared on the inside, which were a sign of poor health. Consequently, its value dropped. In the end, the dealer offered a rate of $14 per pound, and the fish sold for a total of $8,288. Following this, Captain Ken also caught a large bluefin tuna. The entire team was ecstatic to see it, as bluefin tuna is considered a highly expensive fish. It measured 102 inches in length. If the fat content is high, such a fish could easily sell for over $10,000.